Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
Alan! 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 Al! Alan!
Yeah, rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit, yeah, rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit, yeah, rabbit, bunny, jabber, rabbit.
Oops! You what? Sorry, did I just say it out loud?
Shouldn't have had that 12th coffee. I can't even blink anymore, and I can hear my heartbeat in my ears. I don't get it. Mary had the same as me, and she went to bed hours ago.
Tell me about it. I tried to go to bed, but then I ended up bringing one of those late-night quiz thingies. Name something a woman keeps in her handbag.
What was it? A mouse?
That's what I said. Then I said phone, lipstick, taxi numbers.
What was the answer?
Spatula. They're just making them up now.
Oh, so that's not Alan. Steve, that's Steve.
Steve! 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 Steve!
This fella and a giraffe walk into a bar. Giraffe goes to sleep on the floor. Barman says, "Oi, what's that lying there?" Fella says, "It's not lying, it's a giraffe."
She's all neck and legs. Look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow!
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 Ow! That's right, me throat, that. Giraffe!
Oh, Kevin, that's a lovely tribute.